How to fix TikTok sound unavailable error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix TikTok sound unavailable error. The first thing you want to do is open up App Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for TikTok. Tap on the update option and update the application to the latest version. Once that is done, tap on open. Next thing you want to do is open up your settings. On your settings, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone storage. Then scroll down and find TikTok. Tap on that. Now tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again. Once the application has been offloaded, tap on Reinstall app. Now it will take some time. After that, launch open the TikTok app and check if your problem is fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then you want to launch open the TikTok app. Now tap on the three lines and go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, scroll all the way down and tap on Report a Problem. Scroll down and you will find the Chat with Us option. Tap on that. Now, TikTok support chat box will open up. Here you simply want to type in your issue. Now you will have to provide some details. Then TikTok support will help you fix your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.